I'm Gokulan here. So today I'm going to show you how to measure value of resistor using a digital multimeter. So let's get into the video. So here's the things we need to use for measure a resistor using digital multimeter. We need a digital multimeter and also a resistor. And here I'm using a 1 kilo ohm resistor. These manual calculations prove that the value of the resistor is 1 kilo ohm. Now let me show how to measure the value of the resistor using the digital multimeter. This is our multimeter. Okay, turn it on first. Okay, let me turn it on. Okay, I already turn it on, and after turning it on, I want to put the range at here. So now I can test the error using these two props. Touch it together and make sure there's 0. The value shows 0. Okay, now change the range into the ohms. Okay, put it here. Okay, so this is our resistor, 1K resistor, and using these two props, touch the resistor. You can touch it like this or like this, the terminal, using this terminal. So let me touch like this. And the value shows at multimeter is 968, nearest by 1 kilo ohm. So this is how to measure a resistor using a digital multimeter. Thanks for watching, guys.
In this video, I am going to show on how to measure an AC voltage and AC current using multimeter. Here I have a multimeter and an extension plug with two wires, which is black and red. Now I am going to connect the black wire to COM and the red wire to V milliampere. Now I am going to open the multimeter. This area is to measure AC voltage. So I am going to turn on to 750. Then I am going to place the red wire and black wire to the extension plug. This is the way to measure the AC voltage. Now I am going to show on how to measure AC current. Here we have two wires, which is black and red. First, place these two wires in an extension plug. This is the way to measure AC current.
Hello everyone, I am Pavindan here. Now I would like to demonstrate how to measure DC voltage using multimeter. So let's go in. And this is the multimeter. So there are two types of measurement. One is DC, so we can recognize DC by the line here, and another one is AC and also the wave here. So to measure voltage, the negative prop, this is a negative prop, have to be inserted in the COM, while the positive one should be inserted in the V symbol. Yeah. Okay, to measure DC, we have to turn the scale to the DC side, since we want to find DC voltage. So I'll fix it to 200 volt, since I want to measure the voltage of a battery. So this is the battery that we wanted to measure. So in the battery there's two terminals. One is positive terminal, the another one is negative terminal. So the two props just now, we have to place the positive terminal on the positive and the negative terminal on the negative. And this is how we place the positive prop on the positive terminal and the negative on the negative terminal. So it will show the reading on the digital screen. So we can note down it. Thank you. If you want to pause the reading, we can ask our teammate to hold. So it will remain unchanged until we take the reading. Thank you.
Greetings everybody! Today I will be showing you how to measure DC current using a multimeter. Here we have two double A's and with a bulb. Make sure your double A's and your bulb is working properly. Okay, it works perfectly. Okay, before we begin, make sure your multimeter is working properly as well. Make sure to set the multimeter at the DC current symbol, which is the A with a line. Okay, I'll be setting at 10 amps. Okay, and the negative lead needs to be at comfort, while the positive lead needs to be at 10 amps or the 200 milliamps. The difference between both of them is that the 10 amps doesn't have a fuse and the 200 milliamps has a fuse. If you're not too sure how much amps you'll be measuring, if it's less than 100 amps, then we'll be using this. Okay, the negative lead needs to be at here, while the positive lead needs to be at here. Okay, and there you have it, 0.31 amps. That's the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoy it.